insurance fraud costs us 10,000 crore rupees a year. The reason? Models. Both human and AI hallucinate and say yes when they should say I'm not sure. Today's LLMs are confidently wrong. Therefore, we built an RL environment that punishes that exact behavior. You are looking at ClaimCourt, in browser tab. Pick a fake insurance case and then watch an AI investigate it like an analyst. It reads the documents, spot the red flags, and sometimes caused a mini trial with two opposing voices. At the end, it must approve, deny, or hand it off to a human. And then it will say that it is high, medium, or low confidence. And the same rule applies every time we put in an insurance case. Starting with the demo, we have three types of tasks you can pick from. It all runs from the same button, Run Episode. Let's start with Clean Claim. Here I press the Run Episode button. Here you can see all the claims that are under the investigation, all the steps that the agent is taking, which is highly transparent, the live matrix showing every parameter and its output. For example, reward, calibration score, declared confidence, which is high in this case, and the steps taken. Here lies the heart of our project, which is 3x2 calibration matrix. It is a rule book for confidence. If you're right and appropriately sure, you get the best score. If you're wrong, but you acted like a genius, that's the worst cell. In this case, since we are getting high, it is scored +1. Moving on to the next task, which is contradictory claim. Here I run the run episode. We can see all the investigation, and here is the agent trace log. Here we can see that the debate panel has been activated in the contradictory claim. And there are two agents for this. First is prosecutor, then is defender. They all give their verdict and what they have been thinking, and we get the final verdict here, which is that escalated to the human, and human will decide what will happen. Based on all this, we get a live matrix. Here we can see that it is declared medium, and the score which has been given is +0.6. Moving on with the third task, that is distribution shift claiming. What it does is this claim had serious red flags, as you can see here. So the same broker linked to multiple claims, and therefore we have the declared confidence of low and giving it a score of +0.1, which is confidence low and correct. Open a claim code, run one case, and watch the environment trace a decision. All it takes is for you to scan the QR and have a trial for yourself.